Hello friends and family, just wanted to give an update on my train set. It's N scale, 1 to 160. The external dimensions is 11 foot by 12 foot. The scale miles in track, roughly about 34 miles, which isn't a lot, but it does give me some options in the day's switching and train running. I used to have trains when I was a kid, and then you get married and things happen and you don't do trains as much. So anyway, my daughter a couple of years back on Father's Day decided that she wanted me to be the grandpa with trains again, so she and her brothers went in together and got me an engine and some cars and track and whatnot just to get me started. The original board I built, you can see the end of it here at the end of the town where the track marks used to be, and that was at a house that we moved from. We've moved into this home, and so it allowed us to build this middle section, which as you can tell is still unfinished, and got just some basic ideas of what's going to be there. Of course there are rails and track and trains because that's the priority. And then the other tracks set that I built at the other house is over here. It's an L section, and the middle section ties the two of them together, and you can kind of see the old rail track up on the hill there where there's some nail holes anyway. So it's been modified, and it allows me to run two trains continuously. One train stays on the bottom loop and just runs all the way around the bottom, the external side of the board, and then the other rail goes up and down on either end of the rail, the boards. And you can see the various industries that are here, and there's cars and military base. I have a couple of kids that are in the military, so I had to put something for them. And then there's some houses or people and houses, cars, different industries you can see as you're going through the whole thing here. I run an old DC system, which is basically a throttle control system with switches, and the switches distribute either power or they throw switches to change the direction or where the trains are stopping and starting. So it's a antiquated system, but it works well for me. I'm pretty familiar with the system. So anyway, down here on the floor I've got my new control panel that I've just started, way far from being completed, but that's the basic layout of what you're looking up here on top, and then all these switches and stuff will be integrated into the board, and you just can stand there and throw the switches as you go around. So like I said, we're going to run trains, and I'll stop talking, and just wanted to thank everybody for watching this and for the family and friends that have helped me with this project. So thanks, and hope you enjoy.